Yes, people, so Richard here again, I don't know, from Petrolhead Yardman. You get me, I say, I don't know my thing already. Love cars, love to drive them, love to look at them, love to be around them. Typical guy, typical Petrolhead. You get me, I say, Virgin, we are work on the beetle bug. So he's bought a new car, so we're going to do a little pre-review of this car, and then when we have the time, we are going to go through it and do a little ride along and stuff. So we're going to check out the car now and see it, you get me? So, yes, this is the guy from last week. We'll show you with he's rebuilding that VW over there. So he just got this recently, this week. Car is sick, bro. Sick. Literally stance nation. You get me? Stance nation. Fucking hell, bro. I love it. But boy, I don't know if I could drive it, I swear. Don't know if I could drive it, but it's sick though. The car is literally on the ground, guys. Literally on the ground. I thought my TT was low, but look at this. And he's got the BBS wheels as well. BBS wheels. Fucking hell. Sick. We love it, man. Nice car. Let's have the door pull. It closed, yeah. Closed. But we are do a proper little review of this car. And him have the Corsa with a engine swap. 1.8 engine swap. The Corsa mostly come with a 1000 cc engine, but now it's upgraded to 1.8. And so give me a ride along in that, how we're gonna review that. You get me, I say. But for the time being, we're gonna check out the Polo. The Polo literally up on the fucking ground, guys. Literally. Sick though. Love it. But you know, I'm kinda busy. I work on the next car over there. So, you know, I'll show you the project I'm working on. So this is the project where I work on now. Show you from last week. So you know I'm kinda busy. So you know, but the car is coming on well. Real well. I swear, non-stop here, brother. Non-stop. Yeah, my brother, you're a star, bro. You're a star. Yeah. And yo, so what size engine is the Polo? Size? 1.4. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I see. It's nice, bro. The car is nice. BBS wheels is sick. It's sick, bro. Sick. Yeah, so the car, I'm going to start out the brakes now. Put on the new caliper.
The wrong pads for him.
The wrong pads?
Somebody sent me the wrong
pads.
So
Yeah.
new pads, but it's got the new line, so it's got the new caliper.
Yeah. It's coming along, say. Definitely in the month. month 10, next month 10. We'll see. Yeah. Yes, bro, I swear. I like what I see, brother. I like what I see. Yeah, man, so this is England for you, know? Petrolheads come out work on our cars, they will take them for a drive. You get me? And if we buck in the street, we race as well. You get me? Yeah, man. So this was the road that you see me on with the TT when I was giving the ride along. Yeah. This is one of the best stretch I can press on in. Yeah, bro, I can't wait for this car to be finished, because when this car is finished, then you have time, we can check out the rest of the toys. The rest of the toys, yeah. Yeah, but we know you're busy now. I work on your stuff, you know?
You always catch me when I'm busy.
Yeah. Definitely. But that's how it is, you know?